Well, profit centers are the areas of your business that generate financial activity and are used in transaction entry to identify the area of your business that each transaction or portion of transaction is associated with. Profit center groups are not used in transactions. Instead, they are used for reporting and allow you to group multiple profit centers together to analyze them as a group on reports. To set up profit center groups, you first need to make sure that you have your profit centers set up. So underneath Setup and Profit Centers, you can see here that at my company, we actually have an orchard here where we raise apples, and we have decided that we wanted our different varieties of apples to be profit centers and to be able to analyze each variety separately. Okay, so I have some conventional apples, which are my Brayburn, my Gala, and my Yellow Delicious, but I also have some organic apples that we raise, which are my Gala, Brayburn, and Yellow Delicious as well. We also have a market that we sell those at, and that is set up as a separate profit center on its own. Okay. There may be cases, though, where I want to see all of my Brayburn grouped together, all of my Gala apples grouped together, and all of my Yellow Delicious grouped together as a group there. Or I might want to see my conventional apples as a group and my organic apples as a group. Okay, that's where profit center groups come into play, and they're only used in reporting. Okay, so I can create profit center groups by going to Setup and Profit and Production Centers, and there's a section there for profit center groups. So if I wanted to create a profit center group for my organic apples and a profit center group for my conventional apples, I could go ahead and click New here. And first I'm going to go ahead and create the group for my organic apples, and I'm going to call this Organic Apples. And we're going to go ahead and choose the type as being a crop so that it brings up into the box over here just crop profit centers. Then I'm going to choose my 3 organic apples and move them over to the right-hand side. Okay, so that's one group. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a group for my conventional. So I'll go ahead and say that these are my conventional okay, and those are also going to be the crop type, and I'm going to move over my conventional apples into that group. Okay, now I may have reasons to go ahead and create a group for Gala, so I could go ahead and create a group for Gala apples because I want to see both my conventional and my organic Gala apples grouped together as well. So I can go ahead and create a group for that. And then I could also continue and create groups for my Brayburn and for my Yellow Delicious as well. So as you can see, a profit center can be a member of more than one group because these Gala apples were either in the conventional or the organic group, but now they're also in the Gala group. Okay, so it's just a way of pulling together multiple profit centers. And then when you are running reports, so if I go ahead and run a report and I wanted to take and filter an income statement, I can filter an income statement either by an individual profit center, so I could choose just Gala apples here. But if in order to choose all of my conventional apples, I would have to choose all 3 of those profit centers. Okay, unless I have a filter showing for the profit center group. If I have a filter showing for the profit center group, so I'm going to come down here to more items, and I'm going to choose a filter for the profit center group. Okay, when I have the profit center group filter selected, in order to select all of my organic apples, all I would have to do is come over here and choose the organic apples. Same thing with conventional, and it would group those together for the report and show me an income statement for just that group.